kitten number 1 to be washed.
Ooh, dunk him.
I'm just holding, you're washing.
Taking advantage of the kitten neck hold trick
Look
here.
at that. Look, he scratches up my hand. I don't care. Hands washed.
Sarah, hold him with your bare hand.
I got him.
And let him hold your glove. There we go.
Ow. Gosh, it's really hard to dump it.
Just do what you can.
Okay, I'm gonna use the other side.
He's okay.
You're gonna have to move your glove. Just entirely.
There we go. He's alright.
And then tip him up just a bit so I can get his chest. Okay. Cute.
He's not wet at all.
Fuzzy thing. I say just dunk him in the freaking bowl. As bad as that sounds. Alright, come
Worth
here.
a try. Watch your feet.
Let's grab. Get him wet. Please don't be rough. Be gentle. It's okay, little one. Ta-da!
So the dunking technique works.
Works a lot better.
Maybe not for the other ones.
Okay. Now I need some.
Just a little. Keep it going.
But yeah, the other black one, he's not gonna be fun. I think he's the strongest one out of all of them. I just think the gray one's really scared, and this guy's just too weak to care.
See?
Just don't get soaked towards the eye.
Nope, not on the
But
eyes.
you need to rinse his face.
Definitely get his feet. Make sure there's nothing wrong with them.
This is like the calmest we have ever had a kitten.
I don't think he's calm. I think he's scared. I just think he's too weak to do anything about it.
Okay. We're gonna have to, like...
Get new water for his eye faucet.
Yep. Here, put him lower. Just a bit.
I'm just trying to keep his head out of the water.
Yeah, I know. Soapy water to rinse a kitten. We should probably dump and then rinse.
Yeah, go ahead. If you have to.
Yep. Move your hand.
You got him?
Yeah.
You sure?
Yeah. See? He's not even moving. He's shaking up a storm. That's all. Okay. That's his back.
Make sure you get that part right there, because it's kind of...
Yeah, I know. It suddenly got a little bit colder. Okay.
Are you good?
I'm
gonna lick you like Mama would.
Get the eyes really good.
Hmm?
Get the eyes really good.
But be gentle.
Just like a mama. Is that good? Think.
Let's see.
He looks so pathetic.
They all look pretty pathetic.
Okay. You have something like on your eye.
This is feisty.
Okay, come on. Alright, alright. You're alright. You're alright now.
Loud. Oh!
Okay, just grab him.
He's scary. He's terrifying, okay? Okay, how are we going to do this? Explain to me how this is going to work.
Oh Lord.
Oh, do the kitten
Alright,
neck
do you have his nape?
Yeah, I have part of it, yes.
Alright, do you have more of it?
I have it.
Are you sure? Grab more.
I'm sorry I started laughing. I've never heard a kitten sound so violent before.
Okay.
Okay, there's the kitten thing.
Murphy is very worried.
We're okay.
Okay.
Felt between my legs and sat down and cried.
Okay. Do the thing. Hurry.
You maybe don't even need to use soap in this one.
Yeah, just giving him a nice rinse. Get him a little further. I cannot get his whole back.
Or if you feel like it, give it a shot.
Okay. I think we can do it.
Do you want to?
He's kind of.
He's fairly passive at the moment.
Only because he's wet. Please be careful of feet and claws in general. Stop it.
Okay.
Stop it! Go limp. Just go limp.
Let this happen, sweetie. Kylie, a little water.
Good lord. Okay, his face is turning all the way around. I'm losing nape.
Okay.
Suddenly we're fine. Are we fine? Are we fine? See? Survived.
He's looking at me like he wants to kill me. I'm very concerned.
Here, wet another corner of that cloth.
Please don't go after my arm.
Oh no, I got it.
Now, was that so bad, little one?
That was terrible, actually. The only reason they're being so passive is because now they're in shock. Because they've been dunked in water.